Hey, do you want to learn how to install apps on Google TV? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so with your remote, go over to apps and then press on the OK button, then scroll down. You're going to find this search for apps and games. You just need to type in the app that you want to install. For me, I'm just going to type in YouTube and then press on the search button. Then then you're going to see a list of apps here. You can move around by pressing on the left and right hand side. So let's just select this random app, Yoku, and then press on the install button here. Press on the OK button to install it. And that's it. Now it's installing. You can open it and you can uninstall it as well from here. And it's going to open the app. Now you can go back to the home, go to apps again, and you're going to find all the apps that are installed over here. And yeah, that's it. That's how to install apps on Google TV. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Google TV related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.